Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to delete your Substack account. If you've decided to move away from the platform or simply no longer need your account, this process will guide you through permanently removing it from Substack's system. First, open your web browser and navigate to substack.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log into your account using your email address and password. Make sure you're signing into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple Substack profiles, as this deletion will be permanent. After successfully logging in, you'll land on your main Substack page. Look over to the left side of your screen where you'll find the navigation menu. Here, click on Dashboard. This area serves as your control center for all Substack activities, publications, and account management settings. Now, shift your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice your profile icon or account picture displayed there. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, select Settings. This is where all your account configurations and preferences are housed, allowing you to make changes to how your Substack account operates. Once you're in the settings page, you'll need to scroll down through the different sections. Keep scrolling until you locate an area called Danger Zone. This section is deliberately placed at the bottom and marked clearly because it contains actions that are irreversible and can significantly impact your account. Substack uses this name to ensure users understand the gravity of the options available here. Within the Danger Zone section, you'll find the option that says Delete Your Account. This is the critical step where you initiate the permanent removal of your Substack presence. Take a moment to ensure this is truly what you want, as there's no way to recover your account once it's deleted. When you're ready, click Delete Account. Substack takes account security seriously, so immediately after clicking, a confirmation message will appear on your screen. This serves as a final checkpoint to prevent accidental deletions. The message will ask you to confirm that you genuinely want to proceed with deleting your account. In the confirmation dialog, click Delete My Account. However, Substack requires one more layer of verification to complete this process. You'll be prompted to input your email address associated with the account. This ensures that only the actual account owner can authorize the deletion. Type in your email address carefully to avoid any errors. Finally, after entering your email, click OK. This finalizes the deletion process, and your Substack account will be permanently removed from the platform. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted your Substack account. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.